Welcome to our second session on technology trends and business opportunities. Today, I'd like to explore how research commercialization can shape the future of India's manufacturing sector, especially for small and medium enterprises. Research commercialization involves turning scientific discoveries into market-ready products. For Indian SMEs, this represents a powerful strategy for growth, innovation, and competitiveness. Our country boasts a vibrant research ecosystem. Institutions like the IITs, the CSIR, and NRDC are developing groundbreaking technologies in fields such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, and material sciences. A key tool in this ecosystem is the Basic Engineering Design Package, or BEDP, prepared by NRDC. BEDPs help move innovations from the lab to industry-ready solutions. At Comtech, we've collaborated with NRDC on BEDPs for various technologies, bridging the gap between research and industry. So how can SMEs leverage these opportunities? First, by adopting available technologies. SMEs can access ready-to-use BDPs from NRDC and other institutions, implementing them without heavy R&D investments. This approach offers a competitive edge, reduces product development time, and lowers the risks associated with innovation. Second, by partnering for R&D collaboration. If you have innovative ideas, collaborating with research institutions to co-develop or refine technologies can enhance your innovations and bring products to market faster. Many public and private R&D organizations are eager to work with industries, and NRDC services can assist in commercializing these innovations. Third, by commercializing in-house innovations. For SMEs with their own R&D capabilities, there are pathways to license and patent your proprietary technologies. You can earn revenue through licensing or royalties. By protecting your intellectual property, establish your company as a leader in your niche market. Of course, challenges exist. India's R&D investment is less than 2% of GDP compared to over 3% in countries like the USA and South Korea, which limits breakthrough innovations. However, efforts are underway to increase funding and improve industry-academia collaboration. SMEs should be ready to seize these opportunities. Sectors ripe for impact include agriculture, biotechnology, green technologies, and renewable energy. Innovations like affordable healthcare diagnostics, battery recycling technologies, and solar energy solutions are ready for adoption and commercialization. By collaborating with institutions or investing in your own R&D, SMEs can innovate in these areas. In summary, research commercialization offers SMEs a pathway to new growth, enhanced competitiveness, and a contribution to national development goals. Let's embrace these opportunities to grow sustainably and make a lasting impact.